Alright guys, I'm making another pack with me video. I haven't made a pack with me in a while because I feel like it's very tedious, but I've had so many things planned out and I finally am able to sit down and make this pack with me video. So I had my spring break about, I think 2 weeks ago. It was St. Patrick's Day week and I worked and couldn't really like go anywhere. March for college being spring break just doesn't make sense to me. I feel like it should always be around Easter. My sister works in school. She was like, let's go on a trip. Let's go something for my spring break, which is this week. And I was like, fine, sure, I'll make that my spring break. So I'm going on a few trips this month. Flying up to Charleston where my sister lives, and then I'm going to Aruba from there. And then the weekend after, I'm going to Disneyland. Mind you, I do have to work tonight, so I'm gonna try and do this as fast as I can just because of timing. I don't like to sit and talk to a camera because then I have to go and edit, and like I like to push off my editing. And I'm also making pasta. This is gonna be a long like tropical vacation, which I haven't had, I feel like, fully tropical, like non-Disney since I went to Turks and Caicos. So it's kind of like weird not bringing Disney stuff. So I packed it all into travel size stuff because I can't fly with a big thing of lotion or a big thing of stuff. So I have shampoo, conditioner, makeup remover, lotion, Listerine, scalp sunblock, a wash. I got Hawaiian Tropic After Sun. I have been seeing this like all over TikTok. Apparently it locks into your skin after you are at the beach all day, and it keeps the, you know, like the tan, I don't get tan, but like the sun on your tan, and it smells really good. It smells like it's coconut oil and avocado oil and shea butter all together. I have Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which will be going in here actually because it's the travel size. I love the smell of it. This is a coconut body butter, which is also like essentially a lotion, but it's a butter and it's also shea butter, vitamin E, and coconut oil. It smells so good. It just smells like vacation. So like these two are gonna just smell so good. I've got a travel size face sunblock. It's sport, so it's waterproofed, and it's 60 because I'm a ginger. I have really fair Irish skin. Glazing milk. I don't want to travel with mine, so I got this one in like a Christmas basket type thing. I have my CeraVe foaming cleanser. This is just like my face wash in the shower. I have, for my makeup remover, I use these reusable makeup wipes. They're so soft, you just pop them in the washer because yeah, they stain from like mascara and everything, but you just put them in the washer and they're completely fresh and new. Toothpaste, I think I have a little bit of an allergy to like salt water or like chlorine or both. I got myself a itch relief stick, like a Benadryl that just rolls on, that will be in my beach bag. Patches. I'm not gonna bring a book, so I'm currently reading a fantasy book called Brimstone. It's the second one. The first one was Quicksilver. I just reread that because I read that about a year ago on vacation and I just didn't remember anything. It's a thick textbook and traveling with it usually isn't worth it when I always have to travel with a computer and I always have to travel with like my camera stuff, and I'm probably not gonna touch it as much. Mainly I read on the beach, so I'm actually gonna read on my Kindle app on my phone. I probably should just get a Kindle. I was talking to my sister about this because I just read on the Kindle app on my phone at this point. I'm gonna read the entirety of the off-campus series. I don't think I'm gonna read 4 books in like 5 days. I'm not that type of person. I can't read that fast. I do what I can, but I read the first book of the off-campus series a while ago, like probably a few years ago, and I remember it, but I don't at the same time. And the off-campus series is coming out on Amazon Prime in May, and it's gonna be the first book, and the first, like, every season's gonna be a book, and I just want to catch up. I don't know anything about I've never read the other ones. That's the thing. I only read The Deal. I think that's literally the name of the first one. I could be completely wrong, I forget. I only read that one, and then I didn't read the rest for some reason. So I'm gonna go and read all of them, all of the Friends, and prepare myself for the show. I do have to bring my computer because I am still in school. I'm gonna be doing like all my homework. That is this big checked suitcase. And then I have this carry-on that's really small. Compared to these two, I don't know. I generally don't know what to do because like this will give me more space. However, I'm scared of the weight. I don't think it's gonna be that heavy. However, like I am gonna have to vacuum seal my dog's food. I'm just gonna go with this just to like fit everything in and deal with it. Okay, so I have tons of these vacuum seal bags, but I wanna try on everything first, like my clothes, and then I'm gonna pack them in there. I've got all my stuff here, and I'm gonna do a full try on haul of all my stuff. I'm just gonna do like it really fast. Okay, first is this sweater. It's like short set. Okay, so this dress is gonna be for Easter. It is just a very like cute, simple pastel floral dress. I love a long dress. Okay, I have this jellyfish bodycon, like it's super flowy. I've actually never worn this. I think I was gonna wear it for my 21st birthday, and then I never did. Okay, hear me out. I'm probably really overpacking with these dresses, but this one is so cute because it has like, it goes down, but I've never worn it. I have this one in white as well. This is like a darker blue-ish. Okay, I have this pink strapless one that goes down to like my ankles. It is so cute. It's very like baby doll vibes. I don't know, like old 50s vibes. I love the scarf in the back. Like I think it just adds to it like perfectly. I know I'm gonna be wearing this one. Okay, this top is so cute. Ties in the back, and the flower that came with it like matches this skirt. It is so cute. Got this like cropped t-shirt, like it was already cut. I have this set, this striped like top skirt set. It's very, very cute. I kind of wish instead of a skirt, they're pants. I don't feel like change anymore, but I have this tank top that has embroidered starfish on it. That's really, really cute. And then this as well. I have 2 pairs of linen pants just in case. One of my favorite tank tops like ever is this one. And this beach cover up I got from H&M like a year ago. It's so soft, it's so cute, and it has some like seashells on the back of it. One that has a shell in the middle. I think it's so cute. I think yellow like really makes me look tanner because like that color contrast. Here's the bottoms. All my bathing suits are pretty much the same style. This one as well, and I can always like not tie them around my neck and tie them like around my shoulders. I have this like blue, sky blue like tie-dye set, pink skim set. I'm gonna bring these because these are from Strawberry Milk Mob. I love the top, except I do tend to like not go in the ocean with them because they're not as supportive as I want them to be to sit and tan with. Just like swimming is a little, you have to pay more attention in them. Got snorkel goggles, and then it has a snorkel that folds up in here into like a keychain. It's so cute. And then I have this little beach bag. It was like, I love it because you just carry it like this. You can put all your stuff in there, and then the sand will come out. The sand will like escape out of there so it won't build up in your bag. All right, it's the next day. I'm in a different set of pajamas, of course, but I have to do my nails. My flight is tomorrow, so I'm gonna paint my toenails and put on my acrylic nails that I always use. These are like a lifesaver. Nail Reformation, goated. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube and do these. Okay, nails and toes are done. I have like these like, press-on nails that have pearls on them. Ooh. This is stuff that I'm wearing tomorrow because I am technically on standby. I'm a non-rev going on Breeze. And this is everything that I have to somewhere put in my backpack. Not this, but like this stuff. So I gotta like organize that and do that. Okay, first I'm gonna put everything that's on my desk that needs to be in my personal bag. This is gonna be like my purse. It's gonna go across my body to have at hand, like my passport, my wallet, that's gonna have my IDs in it, which I'm gonna make sure I have everything that I need in here. Hand sanitizer, that's the first start. I do have my AirPods already in there. Some medicine in case I need Tylenol or my allergy medicine. Mints, I really, really love having a mint. I'm not a big gum person, but like when in doubt, when you don't have time to sit down and like brush your teeth when you're traveling or something, not that I'm traveling that often, like I'll brush my teeth before I leave. I just love to like have a mint. My inhaler, and then Aquaphor, these loop earplugs. They are like the best thing ever. I have sensory issues, so like I get just like really, really overwhelmed with loud noises or like being touched by things, and it's just like these help me at my job, but also they're gonna help me on a plane, say if my AirPods die or if I don't, you know, I don't need my AirPods. My AirPods are that big thing that help me because they can expand with the noise cancellation, so it can block out all the popping of the ears and everything, but this will be my backup in case I need them. This portable charger is like great because not all planes have chargers like with outlets, and can be a tripod if I want to watch a movie. This is just a magnet on the back. This fan, my my passport. That's everything that will be in here, that will be on my crossbody. I made this snack box. Apparently on TikTok they call it a snackle box. But I got this container from Target, and it's like all my favorite candy and snacks in here. So I'm fully packed now, besides the stuff that I'm gonna wrap up this video so I can put things into my computer and put things away more and put my camera away. If you like this video, Remy's trying to climb up onto the counter to eat the treats right now. So yeah, I think that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.